The Huawei Watch GT4 is a smartwatch that seamlessly combines classic aesthetics with modern functionality, appealing to both tech enthusiasts and traditional watch aficionados. Design and display. Available in 41mm and 46mm sizes, the Watch GT4 showcases a sophisticated design reminiscent of premium dive watches. Its sleek, elegant appearance is complemented by a vibrant AMOLED display, ensuring clear visibility even under direct sunlight. Performance and features. Running on Huawei's Harmony OS, the Watch GT4 offers a smooth user experience with efficient navigation through its intuitive interface. It boasts accurate heart rate monitoring, GPS tracking, and sleep analysis, catering to fitness enthusiasts seeking reliable health metrics. Battery life. One of the standout features of the Watch GT4 is its impressive battery life. Users can expect up to a week of usage on a single charge, depending on the intensity of use. Compatibility and limitations. While the Watch GT4 is compatible with both Android and iOS devices, users may encounter limitations due to Huawei's absence from the Google Play Store. This affects the availability of certain apps and features, potentially hindering the overall user experience. Overall, the Huawei Watch GT4 stands out for its elegant design, robust health tracking capabilities, and exceptional battery life. Thank you so much.